Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about to verify the truth table of half subtractor in digital electronics using virtual lab. Myself Momita Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Department of CST, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. First of all, we will type the virtual lab in Google. We will click on the virtual labs. Then we will go in the electronics and communications. After that, we will see that various types of labs are there. We will click on this digital electronics lab from IIT Roorkee. Here we can see the list of the experiments where we can find out to study and verify half and full subtractor. In the previous lecture we have covered half adder, full adder. Now half subtractor. We will click on this. Here we can see that the aim to verify the truth table of half subtractor by using the ICs of, IC means integrated circuit, of XOR, NOT and AND gates. Okay. Now simulation. Here we can see one is half subtractor and second one is full subtractor. Now we will do the half subtractor. So we will click on this. First of all, we can see the simulator 2 because here the digital circuit is available. This is the black box of half subtractor. We all know about this, that two inputs are there and the outputs are difference and borrow. Whereas in the half adder, sum and carry, here difference and borrow. So first of all we will check the truth table. So in the internal circuit we can see that here one XOR gate, one AND gate and one inverter. Okay, first of all from A input it is in the XOR and from B input it is in the XOR, and from the output difference A minus B. After that A will be go through the inverter to AND. So A bar, the B is originally enter in the AND gate. So B will be B. So A bar B. First of all we will check the truth table. We all know about the truth table. In the half subtractor, first of all we will give 0, 0, and in the difference 0, borrow 0. We will check whether it is correct or not. It is correct. This is serial number, first combination, so this is serial number 1. After that we will give 0 1 combination. In 0 1 difference will be 1 and borrow will be 1. So we will check this is correct. After that we will give the combination of 1 0. Then the output will be the difference 1 but borrow will be 0. This is correct. After that 1 1. So we will change the B input. output will be 0 for both the cases, difference and borrow. Check. This is correct. Then we can see the truth table from here. 0 0 0 0. In the difference portion they have written sub. Okay. 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay. Then we will shift the simulator 1. In simulator 1 we can see the XOR gate 7486 IC, 7404 for inverter and 7408 for AND gate. First of all we will on the power supply 5 volt. Switch on. Then now our input A and B is 0. We can see from input A it is put to the XOR gate, and from input B also this is a XOR gate, and from output 3 this is connected to the LED, which is difference. So first combination 0 0, so two LEDs are not glowing. Then we will put 0 1 combination, so B will be 1. Then both outputs are 1, so both are glowing, difference and borrow. Then 1 0, so B will be 0 and A will be 1, so difference is 1. The truth table is satisfied. Okay. After that 1 0 is already done. Then 1 1, both will be 0. Okay. So from this we can see that the verification of the truth table is satisfied from the virtual lab. Thank you for watching this video.